Are you tired of sacrificing your healthy habits and delicious smoothies when you're on the move? Say hello to the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, the perfect companion for your active lifestyle. Get ready to discover the blend of convenience, power, and style that this portable blender brings to the table. Join us as we delve into the features that make this blender a game changer for anyone who loves their shakes, smoothies, and drinks on the go. If you're interested in learning more about the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, please click on the link in the description below. Unleash the power of ninja blending anywhere, anytime. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender redefines convenience with its cordless, handheld design. Now you can enjoy the high-speed blending power of Ninja wherever you go. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or exploring the great outdoors, this portable blender is your ticket to perfectly blended drinks without the hassle of cords and outlets. 18 Oz vessel for your favorite creations. Say goodbye to mediocre smoothies and hello to a world of flavor and nutrition. The 18 Oz vessel is the ideal size for crafting your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. Fuel your body with delicious goodness and experience the joy of portable nutrition with every sip. Blast through frozen ingredients with ease. Ninja's Blast Blade assembly takes the hard work out of blending frozen ingredients. Say farewell to chunks of ice and frozen fruits in your drinks. With the Blast Blade assembly, you'll enjoy smooth and consistent blends that tantalize your taste buds and make every sip a delightful experience. USB-C rechargeable for uninterrupted blending. No need to worry about finding an outlet or running out of batteries. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is USB-C rechargeable, ensuring that you can keep blending no matter where you are. Simply plug it in and charge it up, and you'll be ready to enjoy your favorite drinks on the go. One-handed sip lid and carrying handle. Sipping your favorite creations has never been easier. The easy open sip lid allows you to enjoy your drinks with one hand, perfect for when you're multitasking or on the move. Plus, the built-in carrying handle makes it a breeze to take your portable blender with you wherever you venture. Elevate your on-the-go lifestyle with the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Embrace the freedom of blending your favorite drinks wherever you are, from the gym to the office and beyond. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to convenience, power, and style with this cordless, USB-C rechargeable blender. Elevate your blending game, transform your nutrition, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you with the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Your perfect blend is just a sip away. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.